welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really short and I'm just going to show you guys how to make 2 simple snacks with ingredients that you probably already have lying around the house. Without further ado, we're going to be making some yogurt bark with a few different toppings. Alright, let's get started. Here I just have a really wide and thin baking sheet that I lined with some parchment paper so it'll be easy to lift our bark out. And now I'm just going to scoop my yogurt onto there and spread it out to be a really thin layer. Now we're going to move on to adding our toppings. So for 1/2 of this bark, I'm going to be adding some chocolate. Now we're going to add some chopped almonds. Lastly, we're going to add some toasted coconut to top it all off. Next, to our other half, we're going to be adding some strawberries. Now we're going to add some blueberries. Lastly, we're going to sprinkle granola on top. Now we're going to put this decorated yogurt into our freezer until it completely sets. Alright, and here is our finished result. This yogurt bark is so incredibly easy to make and is a perfect snack if you're craving something sweet. And if you want to make this at home, I'm going to be linking the exact measurements and ingredients down below so you can follow along with me. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of the delicious and guilt-free dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye, guys.